This is vacuum versus fire ants.
That heavy thing is awesome, man. This is not safe though.
No. Might as well finish it off.
Huh?
One more. One more. Oh shit. Hold on. Yeah.
Yeah, he broke it.
Whoops.
Broke the
You broke my vacuum.
You man.
You broke my vacuum. Bastard. Piece of shit. I don't think those ants will be returning anytime soon.
Yeah, dropping on sideways.
They're like falling out of the roller. Awesome. One more on top of the motor. Ooh, that was a good one. See if you can break the light. Yeah, there you go, right there in that joint. Crunch. That's hopeless. Try not to break the bag open.
Alright, back to that light situation here. Intrigued by. Right.
There it goes. You broke my light! I don't think it ever worked anyway. Oh well. Another one for the trash pile.
Kinda like broken shit. No, but I'm not breaking shit.
Breaking stuff's always fun. I call it good.
Yeah.
I don't want that bag to come off.
You can kill it. I'm just gonna
Alright.
break the handle up.
Thanks for watching, folks. More vids to come soon.